Kiddos, welcome to our classroom at home.
Teaching and learning vocabulary.
Exactly. Our super easy and effective strategies will help you to expand your vocabulary.
Bank.
Vocabulary bank. That's in generally every student has the greatest need to expand their vocabulary bank. But unfortunately in our country, especially those from low socio background have the limited vocabulary bank. So they can be benefited from our strategies. That's it. What do you make of it?
Learning new words are important.
Cool. But why it is important? Because limited academic vocabulary hinders many students from learning and reading the classroom content as well as to understand the
Movies, news.
cool movies, news, and the native speaker. So no more lectures. Today we'll show an engaging and very effective way that might help you to learn, teach and learn new vocabulary. And that is, Tasin, you see, I have a sheet, and on this sheet there are some words, and these all words are adjectives. So these words will describe what sort of person you are. So we can say this is the character adjectives. What you need to do? You need to tick the adjectives which describe you most, and then we will add up the number, and then I will say what sort of person you are. Are you ready to
Yeah.
give your test?
Yep.
Personality test.
Yep.
Thank you. Well, Tasin, you see on this sheet there are 4 columns. 1, 2, 3, 4.
4.
And each column there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 words. Each column contains 7 words.
7 words.
So in 4 columns, 4 sevens are
28.
28 words. And these words are all adjectives. And these adjectives describes what sort of person you are. Get it?
Yeah.
So what you need to do? You need to tick the adjectives in each column which most accurately describe you. Okay?
Yep.
Okay. Start.
Impatient.
Impatient. Are you impatient?
I have patience.
Yeah. You have patience. So you are not impatient. Cross it. It doesn't describe you, right?
Yep.
Then
Brave. I am a brave boy.
yeah, cool. Quick.
Restless.
Are you restless?
No. Yep.
Yeah, a little bit
A little
restless.
bit.
Okay. Cross. Tick it. Okay. Positive.
Positive. Yes.
Yeah, you have the positives.
Who think positive?
Positive. Yeah, tick it. Then
Discipline.
disciplined. Are you
Disciplined.
disciplined?
Yeah.
Yeah, you always maintain discipline. Then
Leader.
yes,
When I grow up, I
you will be the leader.
Yeah.
But at present you are also the leader because in your class you have lots of duties. You are a leader. Cool.
Leader.
Then
Aggressive.
aggressive. Are you aggressive?
No.
No, you are not aggressive. You are not offensive. What is this?
Thoughtful.
Thoughtful. Are you thoughtful?
Yeah.
Yes, you think before you do anything. Soft
Spoken.
Are you soft spoken?
Yeah.
Take it. What else?
Accurate. Accurate.
Are you accurate?
No.
Nobody is accurate. Okay, cross. Then,
Humble.
are you humble?
Yeah.
Yes, you are gentle and humble boy.
Respectful.
Do you show respect to others?
Yeah.
Yes, you always do this. You show the respect to others, so you are respectful.
Shy.
Are
I am
you-
not a shy guy.
Okay, cool. Cross down. Then,
Innovative.
innovative. Are you innovative?
Yeah.
Yes, you have lots of innovation in your mind, in your head. Okay. Then,
Helpful.
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 You help others.
Yeah.
Yes. Then
Kind.
kind. You are also kind
Kind.
because you have kindness.
Friendly.
Friendly. Are you friendly?
Yeah.
Yes. Who is friendly?
A person
Who can mix with their friends easily, right?
Yeah.
He is friendly. Then
Ob-
obedient.
obedient.
Are you obedient in your
Yeah.
school? Yes. We write in our letters most obedient people, right? Then
Cheerful.
cheerful. Yes, you are cheerful. You remain cheerful always. Sympathetic. Do you have sympathy for others?
Yeah.
Yes, so you are sympathetic. Then
Serious.
Serious. Are you serious? Yes.
A little bit.
Yeah, you are serious because when you want to do something, you finish it. So you are serious. Then what is this?
Confident.
Confident. Are you confident?
Yeah.
Yes. You always possess the confidence. Then
Sincere.
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 You also sincere. What is sincere?
Sincere.
Sincere means
Sincere means
you perform or you do your works regularly and with care, utmost care. So you do it. You are sincere guy.
lovely.
Lively. You are also
Lively.
lively. Okay. Then
Popular.
popular. Popular. So what about you? Are you popular?
Yeah.
Yeah. Most of the students, children know you in our locality. So you are popular. And you also that YouTuber. Then it is.
Talkative.
Are you talkative?
No.
No. Proceed.
Fearless.
Are you fearless?
No. Yep.
You are not fearless. Are you fearless?
No.
So you are fearless or not fearless?
I'm fearless.
Oh, cool. Why you are fearless? Because you see, in this column you have written that you are brave. So as you are brave, so you are fearless. You have no fear, right?
Yeah.
Cool. Then
Joyful.
you are joyful, right?
Yeah.
Cool it. So let's count how many ticks are here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Write down here 5.
Yeah.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here also 5. Write down here in this column. Your score is 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Here 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here is 6. So 5, 5, 10. 10 and 7, 17. 17 and 6, 17, 18. Count it.
19,
18, 19, 20, 21.
22, 23.
23.
23.
So you got 23 out of 28.
28.
So total give the numbers 23. You are a goody boy.